Hi, welcome to this Pen Publishing Interactive video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an article section or a blog section in FlipperSD CMS. Let's get started. So I'm already logged into my FlipperSD website and I'm under the sections area. And here you can see all the sections or all the pages I have for my website currently. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Add New. And then I am going to begin creating my new section, my new blog / article section. So the menu title will be blog, the URL will be /blog, the title of the page will be blog. I want it to be top level, and then I want to select article section here. So in Flipper, we have different section types. So we have article section, download section, and they all do or serve different purposes. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to show you what an article section is and how it works and how to create one. So it works similar to, it's just a blog section, if you will. So I'm going to select it and I'm going to hit save. And once I hit save, I'm going to go to page here and I'm going to open in a new tab. And there it is. Obviously, there's no articles currently, or there's no blog posts, if you will. And you can see that my new page is also in my menu up here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Add Article. And I already have some text ready to go for this. I'm just going to copy and paste it. And then in Flipper, you can check this box and it's going to give you the option to publish this post or article in the future. You can publish it right away. You can even select the time you want it to publish. And if for whatever reason you need a post or one of these items to be unpublished at a certain time or a certain date, you have that option as well. I'm just going to leave that alone. And then you can add a short or a brief summary here. So I'm going to add a summary of the article. Again, I'm using Lorem Ipsum. And I am going to select the full content, and then once I am happy with that, and you can add a featured image through this link here, and then once you load the picture, I'm not going to do that in this video, but you can do that, and you can add the alt text, you can add the author, you can change if you want this to say something else instead of read more. And the other thing we have with Flipper is that we have this tag feature where you can organize your articles through tags. So we already have some available here. I'm just going to select the news category tag, and then I'm going to select the coffee descriptor tag, and then I'm going to hit add article. And there it is. My first article has been published on the website on my blog section / article section. So then, you can see the tags that I have here, and then you can also click on this and see the full article. So let's say I want to edit this article. Let's say I want to add a picture. You just, go there, make sure you're logged in, hit edit this article, and you'll get the same, options that you had before. I'm just going to select add an image, and I want to add this image. I'm going to right click on it, hit properties, and I want this image to float to the right of the text, and I want some padding. And I am going to just hit OK on this, and yeah, I like that a little better for my article or my post. And then I'm just going to simply hit apply changes, and there it is. So that's how easy it is to create a blog section. Now you can add more articles, and it'll same process applies. I'll just add another one real quick. It's fine. And I want to illustrate this so that you can see what it looks like when you have multiple articles there. And then I can, and there's my 2 articles there. So that's how easy it is to create an article / blog section in FlipperSD. Hope this video was beneficial. If you want to learn more about the products and services we provide, please visit our website at penpublishing.com. If you're on Facebook or Twitter, follow and like us there. And if you're watching this on YouTube, feel free to subscribe. We'd appreciate it. And as we release these, you'll be notified. Thank you, and until next time.